Oh shit, boys. What did I say I was gonna do? I said I was gonna, when they lost their scent, I was gonna burn them, little trees. And here we are. Burn the paper thing first.
Oh my god.
Oh, that did whatever. Whoa. Oh, Jesus. That was kind of cool. We'll burn the plastic from the new one.
Whoa, that color. There's color flame.
Colored flames. Wow. Ooh. Ooh, neat. That looks poisonous. Why is that coming out up there? Black ice. The mythical, legendary O meme one. There they go. There they go. Black ice. Thank you, boys. They're in service for like 3 months. They did their duty. And now it is time to say goodbye. I wish they didn't lose their smell so quick, because those ones smell so good. Next time I'm probably going to get a different one. I'm probably going to get cinnamon apple, because I just love that smell in general. And hopefully the little trees that they make of that smell good too. There we go. Goodbye, little trees. Goodbye.